Alright, over here we have a couple of problems we want to take a look at. Find to the nearest minute all values of theta between 0 and 360. As you can see, we're sticking to the standard one cycle. Okay. Um, just to let you know in the notes, I had to delete the 5 because it was the same problem above. So if I had this problem, it's slightly different. We've been using the quadratic formula. Remember, the quadratic formula is great and all, will always work, but you don't always have to use it, okay? This refreshes back to, now guess what you could do to this one? You can factor still, right? So when you're making an appropriate decision, make sure you pick the one that's going to work easiest for you, okay? Just because it's nearest minute, don't let that trick you either, okay? A lot of times it tells you quadratic formula, but hey, you never know. It might just be sine equals something weird, okay? So in this one, look what you can factor out of both of them. In this case, I'm going to factor out a sine of theta. I factor that out, well, sine out of sine squared is just one of them left now. However, if I take out this one, I'm just left with 2. Now I'm down to the good old question, when does sine of theta equal 0 and sine of theta plus 2 equals 0? Right? We're between 0 and 360. All right? Well, sine equals 0 at 0. Halfway in between there, 180. And because it included 360, yeah, we got to write 360 down. Okay. The other one is, when does sine of theta plus 2 equals 0? Well, we can do sine of theta equals negative 2. And if I go through my good old calculator, I'm going to get a domain error again. Just remember, sine's got to be between negative 1 and 1. That's negative 2, outside of my range. There is none here. So my solution to this one is theta is simply just these angles here, 0, 180, and 360 degrees. Okay? If I check them all in there, just think about it. I'll get a 0. This is 0, this is 0. Oh, that equals 0 when you add them. All right, and we'll work for all of them.